try. We'll start on the right, back to front. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Undulate, maybe twice, once or twice. Arms. This is inner, inner, circle, turn around. Welcome. Thank you for joining us here in class. Everybody say hi. Hi, YouTube family. Super excited to be dancing with y'all today. Thank you for being here.
My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance.
So we're going to start with a back to front figure eight. Let's say we'll start on the right, and then next time we'll do it on the left. So we're going to do our back to front figure eight. 1, 2, and we're going to let that last one angle us in the direction we began. Our right hip began, then our left hip did it, and we're going to angle ourselves to the right when we finish. Then we're going to do a couple of these lower body undulations. We'll do stuff with the arms, but we'll talk about that in a second. And then we'll do some snake arms. Dancer's choice, how big, how fast, how gooey you make them. Yeah, so what we have so far is we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or something like that with the music. Yeah? So far so good? Then we're going to do our inner hip rolls. Feel free to lift the heels as you do this one. It's going to bring us back to the center. We're going to go inner hip roll, and then we're going to do kind of one more to bring us to an angle here to the left. Then we're going to do our Ami, but I'm going to invite you to have your right hip to the front and allow, if you want to put your weight on the ball of that foot, you can. If you want to be flat on the foot, you can. But we're going to focus on making that right-sided Ami the star of the show. Both hips are Amiing. So we're going up, tuck, up, release. The same Ami we practice facing forward, but we're going to do it to the side so it looks a little different. And if you want, you can prop that foot just a little bit, right, to get a little bit of extra lift if that feels good. Does that make sense? Yeah, we're going to do a couple of those. So we do a couple of Amis, and then we are going to turn around to be able to do the other side. To turn around, you can either just step around and get ready to do the other side, or you can cross the foot, squeeze the thighs together, push the feet onto the floor, and do a little crossover turn to get around to the other side. Whatever feels good to you. Yeah, if we do the right side one more time, we're doing back to front figure eight, back to front, and let it angle you out here. We're going to do undulation, yeah, and then we're going to do some snake arms. A lot of this will be gooey. You can totally play with it. Inner hip rolls are going to go right and left, and then the last right one to bring you here, and we're going to do an Ami, crossover, and turn. If you want to get fancy as you cross over and turn, arms that I like to do, I call it toreador arms. Your left arm will wrap so that your front elbow is pointing the direction you're going, and you'll turn around and open the arms back up. Yeah, let's do that again, a little bit slower. We'll get to play with it with the music. So here we go with the right. Back to front, lower body undulation, arms. We're pushing off the right, off the left. Bring it to the side, give it an Ami, cross it over, and turn. How does that feel so far? Making sense? Can we do it on the other side? Yeah, left hip. So we go back to front, and it takes us to the left because we started on the left. We get that lower pelvic undulation. If you want to leave this leg long, bonus points if you kind of extend it so that it's not here, but it's here, right? Just give that leg a little bit of a straightening. It looks very pretty. Lower body undulation, little snake arm. You're going to push out of the standing leg for your inner hip roll because it's a weighted move, right? Inner hip roll. One more to turn you to the side. And now we're doing the Ami. For me, the Ami on this side wants to go clockwise. Up, tuck, up, release. Whatever direction your Ami goes is perfect. It'll be fine. Yeah, it'll work no matter what. But what I'm thinking is take this momentum and continue it around. Yeah, so my momentum is going clockwise. My Ami will go clockwise. Cross over. Right arm in front. Turn. Yeah, so you get that Ami here, feet are on the floor, cool, or maybe you pose the leg, cool, whatever feels good to you. And then we're going to cross, right arm in front, and turn. Can I give you some arm options? arm concept, right? So let's look at arms all the way through. Second position with some breath. Yeah, we'll push down for these undulations and then engage the shoulders for noodle noodle. So we won't bring them all the way up. We'll just bring them up to here, noodle noodle, and then relax them here. Ha, ha. One circle, cross over or step yourself around. Other side, arms in second with a little breath. They'll push down, perhaps 2 undulations here. Da da da. Inner, inner right, inner left. Circle, crossover. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, with the music. Take a nice deep breath up. And keep that chest nice and lifted. Take those shoulders back and down. We'll go on 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to front. Back to front. Push, push, and shoulders inner. Then quick and quick. Circle, turn around. Left. Yes. Undulate. Undulate arms. Quick and quick. Circle with the hips. Yes. And again, you got it. Bonus points for smiling. One more time. And strike your pose. Yes, nicely done.